A cover letter is a letter of introduction attached with resume or curriculum vitae. Now let us see the cover letter for the resume which we have seen. Cover letter is written in the format of a formal letter. Now let us see. So first you write the name and from address, Mr. Vijayaraj Joseph, then address 30/16 Grace Garden, Chennai 21. Then you write the date. You leave one line and write the date. Date in the format of date, then month in words, then year in numbers. And always remember, no need to add th or st to the date. Then leave one line and write the to address. The HR manager, ABC Company, Bandra West, Mumbai 400011. Then leave one line, then salutation, dear sir. Then leave one line and then you write the subject there. Subject here is application for the post of Chief Research Analyst regarding, give a dash and R capital, REG, short form you can use REG, full stop there. Remember, all your from address, to address, salutation, subject and even the body of the letter, complimentary closing, everything must come in the left indent of the letter. In the first paragraph, you mention how you came to know of the vacancy. No need to mention that I am Vijayaraj Joseph, I reside at 30/16 Grace Garden, Chennai. No need to mention that because you have already mentioned that in the from address. So in the first paragraph of the cover letter, just mention how you came to know of the post. With reference to your advertisement in The Hindu, I apply for the post of analyst in your esteemed company. Then in the second paragraph, give a brief description of your education and your work. I am a postgraduate in mathematics. At present, I am working as an assistant research analyst at XYZ company in Madurai. I am working here since 2018. And the last paragraph, that is third paragraph, you just what you expect from them. Always that is the format of a formal letter also. I have enclosed my resume herewith for your perusal. If given an opportunity to serve in your esteemed company, would work to my fullest ability and your satisfaction. Then complimentary closing, thanking you, yours faithfully, sign. Then write your name under the signature. Enclosure 1. So what is that enclosure? That is your resume which you have enclosed. Then after that, address on the envelope to the HR manager, the name of the company and the address which you have already written in the to address. That you must write on the envelope. Letter for practice. Write a CV for the post of a DTP operator at ABC Publishing House and send it to Post Office Box number 2345. So Post Office Box number 2345 means the number of letter box at the post office where the mails are collected. And this particular box number might have been paid by the company exclusively for their mails to be collected. This has become outdated with the invention of emails. Yet let us learn to know about it and also from the examination point of view. They use post office box number either to conceal their identity, but in this example they have given the name of the company. Sometimes they don't even give the name of their company. They just mention the post and ask you to apply to the particular post office box number.